Good afternoon guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to keg my all grain brew that I did 3 weeks ago at least. I think it's been longer actually, I just haven't calculated it, but it's been a while since I've actually gotten to it. It is ready to keg anyway. Just going to put my pipe on, get it ready, pop it in my keg that I cleaned out in my last video. If you haven't seen it yet, just have a look at it. I'll set a link in it for you. So we're ready to go. I pressurise this. It's about 20 pounds of pressure, so I'm going to have to empty the pressure out so I can actually open it. Basically, why I did it is to keep it sanitised while I'm not using it. It keeps pressurised. There's no bacteria able to grow in it because I've got CO2 in it. And now I'm about to empty it. So here we go. Okay, so to give that a little bit of a twist so it holds it open, allows all that to come out. I'll grab my spray sanitizer, which I have here, just to make sure that everything is hunky-dory before I go and open it up and allow any bacteria to get in. So open the cap. It's nice and clean, beautiful inside. There's no water. There's a little bit of water in there. I can tip that out. So I might just do that actually. Little bit in there, but that's all good. Yeah, actually it's not. Got a heap of sanitizer balls in there, so I'm gonna have to put a bit of sanitizer back in there and try and clean that out. What a bugger! Now I have to wait until we get this cleaned out properly. Damn it! Just be back in a sec. All right, guys, we're back at it. Just had a few hiccups. So all I did was have to clean out a couple of the sanitizer balls that were in there. I didn't know if that was too potent to do this with, but now they're all gone, so it's all good. So now I put my little pipe in there. It's curling up, which I don't want it to do. Hopefully it goes straight to the bottom, which is not too bad. I don't want it swishing around too much to get oxygenation in it. Here, I'll get you a better view here. There we go. Hopefully you can see what's going on. So, here I am about to crack the valve. And I probably should take it. No, that's all good. There's not much tube going in there, so nice and clear. So we just wait for that to fill up. Get it up to pretty close to the top. Clear a little bit of a gas in area, and we should be right. So here we go. So there was about 20 litres of beer in this little beauty. So I'm hoping that that's about how much I'll get out of it. 19, just hopefully get it full. So we'll just wait for it to fill up. Try and light that up a little bit so we can see what's going on in there. You can see in there, I hope. Didn't want it to get too much oxygen in there, but it doesn't matter. It's in there now. What can I do about it? So hopefully I'll have a little bit of beer left over so I can just test for how much alcohol I got in it. Well, there you go, guys. I've got just enough left in my little bottle here to test for volume, and then we're right from there. Now, the most important thing, get the lid on here so we don't get any bacteria in there. Shut. And pressurise the keg. Alright, I'm going to now pressurise this keg so that we get some pressure in there. And I'll bleed it, or purge it, so we can get rid of the oxygen out of the actual brew. That went on nicely. I might just pressurize it to about 15 pounds or something like that. And purge. And remember, it's only a little area that's going to be pressurized. The rest of it's just your beer. So it's going to pressurize quickly. Hallelujah. So now I'll pressurize it. I might just bring it up to 20 pounds. Just to give it a bit. So that's all pressurized now. Now that should not be able to get any bacteria growing in it now. Okay, I'm going to do now a ABV read, just to see what kind of alcohol I might have in my home all grain brew. So we're looking at, what are we looking at? That's 10, oh gee, that's really low. Looks like about 5, 1005. Yeah, I hope it's not too whiny. It just as a quick tester, a beer tastes great with a good hop, doesn't it? You can smell it. Beautiful fruity smell, nice hoppy smell. Excellent hoppy flavour. That is a beautiful brew. Can't wait for it. Can't wait for it to carbonate and start drinking it. It's a really nice brew, that one. I'm going to enjoy it.